everybody's seat belts?
Yes.
Alright, alright.
With 905 on a right base, runway 36, maintain at above 1,500 till establishment straight in final.
Right base, runway 36, maintain at or above 1,500 until establishment final. Lift down to 5.
With 905, contact Myrtle Beach Tower.
Over to tower, lift down to 5 today.
That wind's coming right pretty much directly down our left wings, yeah.
Strand Agents Information Tango, time 1553, weather.
I think I see the airport, but we'll get a few miles closer first. Feel it turning into the wind. Gotta do it. A little bit this way.
Myrtle Beach, good afternoon. Sirius 1966 Mike, level 9000.
Sirius 1966 Mike, Myrtle Beach approach, altimeter 3041.
41 on the meter, good afternoon.
Skyhawk 06 Quebec, cancel altitude restriction.
Cancel altitude restriction, 06 Quebec.
Down about 200 more feet. One Juliet, I have the field in sight.
11 Juliet, roger, contact Grand Strand Tower 124.6.
24.6, see ya.
Super 8, thank you, sir.
To the northwest. Ooh.
VFR aircraft requesting flight following state destination and requested altitude. All other departing VFR aircraft say direction of flight. Advise on initial contact, you have information uniform. Grand Strand Airport 8 is uniform. Observation 1753 Zulu. Wind variable at 610 miles visibility. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 19 dew point 04. Altimeter 3041. Visual approach in use. Landing and departing runway 5.
We got uniform. Grand Strand Tower, Cherokee 9611 Juliet, 12 to the northwest at 2,500 with uniform.
Cherokee 9611 Juliet, Grand Strand Tower in the midfield, left downwind to runway 5.
Midfield left downwind for 511 Juliet. The wind's just light variable at 6, variable at 6 now. It ain't right here, but on the ground it is. Right here, it feels like it's trying to tip us over, don't it? See the ocean, my peoples.
Yep.
Got that?
Strand Tower, Skyhawk November 7206 Quebec, inbound on the procedure terms of the VOR 5.
Skyhawk 7206 Quebec, Grand Strand Tower, you number 1, runway 5, clear for the option.
Number 1, runway 5, clear for the option 06 Quebec.
Still Mary, Roger.
Goodness. Tower 11 Juliet's entering the left downwind for runway 5.
Cherokee 11 Juliet, roger. Base turn to your discretion, runway 5. Clear to land, traffic's Skyhawk and short final.
Clear to land behind the Skyhawk on short final, 11 Juliet. He ain't landing.
Going to Skyhawk 06 back.
Skyhawk 06 back, roger. Contact Myrtle Beach departure, see ya.
Myrtle departure, yeah, 06 back.
Cherokee 11 Juliet, traffic no pattern.
11 Juliet. I hope nobody's judging my traffic pattern.
Oh. I see Lulu's.
Usually Lulu's?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. Straight below us.
The beach over here on the right, babe.
Uh-huh. I see it.
Oh, this is freestyle pattern?
Mike style.
10-point road turn.
Counts.
Also see Main Street.
You do see Main Street?
Uh-huh. Right there. Actually, no, that's...
Strand Tower, November 2513, Juliet is at 2,400 inbound.
2513 Juliet, Strand Tower, good afternoon. Report a 2-mile final, runway 5.
Report 2 mile final for runway 5, 12 Juliet.
I saw the Trump Superstore.
Oh, that ain't going on nothing. That's too flat. We'll take Alpha 3. That is not variable. That's 6.
29062, Strand Ground, clear the Parkersburg Airport as filed after departure, maintain 2000. Expect 6000 within 10 minutes. Departure control frequency 119.2. Squawk 3223. Zero 62 readback is correct, and give way to inbound Cherokee coming down taxiway Charlie in just a second. And then runway 5, taxiway Charlie, turn left on Tango, or turn left on Alpha.
11 Juliet, do you want to continue on Charlie to the FBO?
Roger, continue the ramp via taxiway Charlie.
Copy that, 11 Juliet. Did you feel this moving?
I felt us go to the right side.
Huh? Yeah, there's a good gust that took us there.
Yeah.
Look at that flag. There's a dead crosswind. That's I don't know.
Chalks right there. So make sure you see them.
Do what?
There's chalks right there. So make sure you see them.
Yeah, I'll go to this one. Nobody's directing us in anyway.